Hey there, it's me, your business and bookkeeping bestie, coming at you with some more hot bookkeeping tips. Can you believe it? It's already June. We're already halfway through the year, and you may be wondering what you can do now to help save money on your tax bill this upcoming year. And I'll give you a hint. It begins by not waiting until December to make a decision. After working with many plumbers, I have discovered 3 strategies to make tax time easy. You and I both know that waiting until the last minute is going to cost you more money and more stress. This week, I'm going to be revealing these 3 strategies, and you're not going to want to miss it. So if you want to start thinking about how you can be in the best financial situation for the rest of 2023, you're definitely going to want to stay tuned for this. Comment below if you're going to want to watch the link, and be sure to follow for more bookkeeping tips.